Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in Indiana on this RCI 99N4 by Ranger. James, got you fixed up, ready to go, bud. We're going to mix things up here and show you sideband first. 500 watt slug. Hello, 1 2. Hello, hello, hello. 1 2 audio. Hello, 1 2 3 4 5. Hello, hello, hello. So we're looking around 490. Go down here and show you with the amp off. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. So an easy 50 watts. Flip the amp back on. RF power all the way down. AM mode, 250 watt slug. Around 25 watts. Roll it all the way up. 125. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 200 bird. 500 watt slug in PEV. Hello. 500 watts in the corner. What to do with our power all the way down? Hello. What do? Still 500 plus. All right, James is ready to come to you to the Hoosier State. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.